Hello everyone, I'm Reema Yasmin. We had renovation work done in our previous home, and unfortunately the experience with the previous contractor was disappointing. Through a family friend, we were introduced to Brownwood Renovation, and the experience was completely different. They were extremely professional, and our basement they were able to complete ahead of schedule, and they delivered exactly what they had promised. The quality of work and attention to the detail exceeded our expectations. We had a very positive experience from start to finish, and the entire process was smooth and stress-free. I highly recommend Brownwood Renovation for anyone looking to build a basement or complete any kind of renovations. Whatever they commit to, they do deliver. We are happy with the results. Thank you so much to Brownwood Renovation and the entire team.